Hi, in this video we can see that how we can add button widget in a page. So now first we can select a page and its widget tree. Now click on child widget. Now search button, click on search button. Now here see here button widget are added here. Now we can add in a center and change it width. Suppose I add 200 width and height 60, and I want to change button text. Click me now, and I want to add one action. When I click, then in alert clicked. Now what I do here, I added one button, and on that click I add one action, and that action should be alert box, and it is so that result I was clicking. So now I run this file, run this project, one session. Now first need to save this project. Now our changes is not reflected. Now I'm ending this session and rerun this project. Now we can see that project is running. Now button is visible. Now I click on, then one pop-up is shown there and information is says click me is clicked. So this way we can add the button in page in a flutterflow IO.